Welcome to blog.oureducation.in. Today, we are going to talk about trusted UPSC coaching in Kolkata. This is in-demand video by serious UPSC aspirants from Kolkata who all want to know which coaching institute they should trust to begin for their civil services examination preparation. The coaching institute, which has been consistently declared best by a lot of civil services aspirants from Kolkata with proof has been discussed over here. We will tell you the trusted coaching institute because what is happening in Kolkata, you will be finding that a lot of coaching institute claim that they are the best for UPSC, but when it comes to ground level reality, it has been found that the UPSC clearer from those institutes have not taken the full-fledged course. And this is why the students from Kolkata asked this question on blog.oureducation.in to tell the trusted UPSC Civil Services Coaching Institute. Even UPSC clearers from Kolkata informed us that they have taken UPSC coaching initially from XYZ or Delhi based institute or in the online mode. They have taken interview guidance program or the test series from particular coaching institute, but do understand only that coaching institute from where the UPSC clearers have taken the full-fledged course matter. So it is important for UPSC CSE aspirant to look into this before finalizing the best coaching. Now at blog.oureducation.in we are going to tell you the trusted UPSC coaching institute, even recommended by civil services aspirant who have cracked UPSC from Kolkata. The number one coaching for UPSC civil services is Plutus IS. Yes, Plutus IS is Delhi-based coaching. It offers online live interactive classes in Kolkata. But why? The question is why students from Kolkata join Civil Services Coaching Institute, Plutus IS, which is a Delhi-based institute, because Plutus IS offers 3D model teaching, live interactive classes, which is as good as classroom coaching. It saves a lot of time of yours without compromising the quality of teaching. It is the only UPSC coaching institute which gives high interactive live classes, high technology based UPSC coaching institute. As we talked initially while starting this video, that we will give you the full-fledged proof on record why students join the verified trusted coaching institute, the number one Plutus IS. Just look at the faculty panel into this institute: retired IAS, Haryana Civil Services, allied officers, AIR1, IIT Bombay, JNU doctorate, PhD profile. You will be finding, you must be knowing that even in the government of India, the people who make policies are from JNU. Just imagine what kind of faculties you are getting into this Plutus IS Coaching Institute. You will be studying from the people who have studied from JNU, and just look at the profile of the faculties, and there are n number of faculties. You will find lot of faculties in the Plutus IS Coaching Institute that you will have a good insight why from Kolkata students join Plutus IS, because what matters in the institute is majorly the faculty. That is why Plutus IS Coaching Institute in Kolkata is number one most trusted UPSC Civil Services Coaching Institute, even recommended by UPSC clearers from Kolkata itself. Number two best IS coaching in Kolkata is Educrate IS Academy. This is one of the well-known coaching institute. It is having good faculties and facilities. Number 2 most recommended civil services coaching institute in Kolkata. It is a trusted institute with good facilities and overall exposure to the students. A good number of students in Kolkata join this coaching institute. This is number 2 coaching institute. At number 1 is Plutus IAS. At number 2 is Educate IAS Coaching Institute. At number 3 is GOIS Coaching Institute. This is an again well-known coaching institute in Kolkata, and it comes in trusted UPSC Coaching Institute. Whatever we are telling at blog.oureducation.in, exclusive research report of which you will get in the description box as well as in the comment section of this video. Do not forget to read that. Most important, just read that research report, read complete ranking of best IAS coaching in Kolkata with details before you decide the right coaching center for you. GeoIAS Coaching Institute is number 3 IAS Coaching Institute, ranked 3rd by blog.oureducation.in, and it is trusted IAS Coaching Institute, trusted by a good number of UPSC aspirants from Kolkata. It is 3rd recommended coaching institute. At number 4th is Yojana IAS. Serious UPSC aspirants from Kolkata who cannot afford the high fees join Yojana IAS Coaching Institute because the fees structure of Yojana IAS Coaching Institute is less, and the best part is it is very affordable without compromising the quality of civil services faculty facilities. Without compromising, you will be finding a good number of coaching institutes in complete India, not in Kolkata. You get to know good number of coaching institutes which say that we charge less, but when they charge less, they decrease the quality of teaching, or they decrease some facility into it. Yojana IAS is that coaching institute without compromising the quality. Yojana IAS is consistently giving best faculty, and serious UPSC aspirants who cannot afford high fees opt for Yojana IAS. It is number 4 best IAS coaching in Kolkata. It is at number 4 because it is online IAS coaching. But technology wise, everything which Yojana IAS offer is best. You do not feel like you are learning in online mode. Basically, this is also a Delhi based coaching institute, but opted by a lot of students in Kolkata who all cannot afford high fees but know the value of quality teaching and learning. So that's all about trusted UPSC coaching in Kolkata. Do not forget to read important research report mentioned in the description box as well as in the comment section of this video. We will catch later. Happy learning.